Introducing the MKS P1.1 control card controller with 64-bit SOC onboard and PI-TS35 Klipper Screen. The MKS PY-V1 control card controller emerges as a robust and innovative solution tailored for enthusiasts and professionals seeking enhanced control over their 3D printers. This cutting-edge control card is equipped with a powerful 64-bit system-on-chip onboard, which significantly elevates its performance and capabilities. One of the standout features of the MKS PI-V1.1 is its compatibility with the PI-TS35 Klipper Screen. This dynamic combination provides users with an intuitive and feature-rich interface to interact with their 3D printers. The PI-TS35 Klipper Screen offers a responsive touch display that seamlessly integrates with the MKS PI-V1.1, making configuration and control a breeze. Engineered for the Voron 3D printer series, the MKS P1.1 serves as a high-performance replacement for the traditional Raspberry Pi RasPi. Setup. This upgrade unlocks advanced functionalities and improved processing power, ensuring smoother print operations and better overall performance. With its 64-bit SOC, the control card can handle complex tasks more efficiently, contributing to faster print times and greater precision. By integrating the MKS P1.1 control card, controller, and PI-TS35 Klipper Screen, users can harness the full potential of their Voron 3D printers. The collaborative power of these components facilitates seamless communication, rapid data processing, and enhanced user interaction. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to optimize your printing experience or a professional seeking greater control over production, the RasPi V1.1 offers a promising solution that combines innovation and performance.